passes back into the play as Rick Nash swoops into the zone, swings in front, he scores! Rick Nash on a patented move there. He's got the reach to pull that off as well as the speed. He gives New York a 2-1 lead.
You got to come up with that as a goaltender. You can't let the guy walk through the crease like that. You've got to get the stick out there or something, and you got to make sure when you're in a foot from the goalie. You got to see right here. You don't go across. That stick has to be out there.